I'm super excited to do this video because I'm going to say something which is super open secret. Yes, secret is something which we don't know, but this is open secret. Yes, I'm going to reveal that. If you're watching me for the first time, please subscribe to my channel, hit that notification icon, and let's grow as a community. Now, what is that open secret, Ramya? You know what's that? Your days are going to be your weeks will be your months will be your years, and your years will be your decades, and your decades will be your life. Oh, big deal. You know this, right? But there is something that I want to add. The way you live your life is directly proportional to the way you start your day. The way you live your life. Please write this, very important. The way you live your life is directly dependent on the way you start your day. Because we know, right? Days, weeks, months, all those things. That is why I'm saying this. How, Ramya? How come? How do you start your day, friends? There are two ways to start your day. One is in a reactive mode. For example, how do I start my day in a reactive mode? Ramya, do this. Ramya, your children are crying. Ramya, what about the homework? Ramya, when will your office start? Ramya, what about your breakfast? Ramya, blah blah blah. Can you see? I am pulled in all directions. This is how I start my day in reactive mode. And the second way of starting my day, I get to do what I want to do. I read, I work on my goals, I make sure that I achieve my milestones, I will make sure that I become a finisher, I make sure that I grow higher up the ladder. Wow. And this is the category that I want to be in because I know this is how I achieve. Right? So now the question is, what is the second category called as? The growth mode. Do you want to live your life in the reactive mode? I mean the days in reactive mode, or do you want to live your days in growth mode? That's the question. Okay, Ramya, I want to live my life in my growth mode. But then, there's so many commitments, so many people, family, office, all those things. So that is why when there is no one to disturb you, that is how you put your time and energy into those things that you want to accomplish. And when is that possible? In the least distracted time. When is the least distracted time? When your family is sleeping. When the entire world is sleeping, if you have gotten up to work on your goals, that's the least distracted time. But the question is, Ramya, that means I have to wake up early. Yes, you have to wake up early. I usually get up between 4 to 5, right? In that range. Sometimes I get up at 4, sometimes 5, very few times 5:30. Why I do this? Because I know that I have to work in the least distracted time. Wake up early, wake up early. When I see so many videos which says wake up early, I was not getting that motivation to wake up early. I mean, what will you do by waking up early? Right? I know that I have to work on my goals, but the moment that alarm rings, I just want to snooze and sleep off. So now when I got to know that, like hitting the nail on the center of the head, and I got to know why I need to wake up early, otherwise I'm going to start my days in reactive mode, which means my entire life will end up in reaction and never in growth zone. Right? So I decided I'm going to wake up early to work on my goals because that is how I live my life in my growth mode and not in reactive mode. Okay, friends? So this is one of the powerful reasons for you to wake up early. If at all in your life you can find some time which is least distracted, then maybe waking up early may not be an option for you, but that luxury is for very few people, right? So please subscribe to my channel, share this video to those 3 friends who really wants to achieve their goals, who really wants to wake up early, right? So decide to start your day in growth mode and not in reactive mode. See you in the next video.